My YouTube channel. Today I am going to do Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Basically this is the fifth chapter of Excel section of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get done your assignment by watch this complete video. But if you want to do this assignment for you, or if you want to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete courses. So now we will start this assignment. First you will go to your IT lab dashboard, and then you will download this assignment, and then you will open in your computer, because I already download this assignment from Pearson IT lab dashboard and I open in my computer. So this is the instruction file of this assignment and having all the question in this file. Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments, that is our assignment title, and that is the project description of this assignment. I already read it, and you can read in your assignment and you can get idea about your assignment. Okay, so basically this is the fifth chapter of this course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step for you. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and I can help you for your complete course, include all the Word, Excel, Access and PowerPoint assignment. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer science courses, all other writing assignments, mathematics, business, Cengage courses, any other more. Okay. So now we will start this assignment. Steps to perform. First we will check how my total step in this assignment. Total step is 20 in this assignment, so we will start from first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I already download this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. So now I will go to my PC, and then I will open this Excel workbook Exp25 Excel chapter 5 ML2 apartments. Our Excel workbook is open, and we will apply all the instruction and all the question in this Excel workbook. We will make the Excel workbook for final submission. So now we will go to our instruction file. So our step number 1 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 2. Our step number 2 is, before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data. Select the summary sheet, sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order, and further sort it by bed, the number of bedrooms from smallest to largest. We are supposed that select the summary worksheet, go to Excel workbook, and then open the summary worksheet, this one, and then sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order. Go to Excel workbook and then go to home tab, and then go to editing group, and then go to sort and filter, and then click on the custom sort, and then sort by apartment complex, and then sort by apartment complex, to alphabetical order A to Z, and then sort it by bed from smallest to largest. Added level, then by word smallest to largest. Click OK. So our step number 2 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 3. Our step number 3 is you want to use the subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by number of bedrooms for each apartment complex. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Added a second subtotal without removing the first subtotal by bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. So we are supposed that use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment complex to calculate the average total deposit. Go to Excel workbook and then go to data tab and then go to outline and then click on the subtotal. Insert a subtotal apartment complex, calculate the average, use a function average total deposit. Calculate average with total deposit and then click OK, and then added a second subtotal by bed to calculate the average total deposit by the number of bedrooms. Added a second subtotal bed calculate average with total deposit. Uncheck the replace current subtotal and then click OK. So our step number 3 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 4. Our step number 4 is use the outline symbols to display only the two levels of subtotal rows along with the current average. Create an automatic outline and collapse the outline above total deposit. We are supposed that use the outline symbols to display only the two levels of subtotal rows along with the grand average. Go to Excel workbook and then go to outline group and then go to group and click on the auto outline. Click OK and then collapse the outline about total deposit. Total deposit. So this step is done. So our step number 4 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 5. Our step number 5 is you want to create a pivot table to determine the total monthly rental revenue for occupied apartments. Display the rental sheet and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rental worksheet. Change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. Name the pivot table rental revenue. We are supposed that display the rentals sheet. Go to Excel workbook and then display the rentals sheet and then create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet to the left of the rentals sheet. Select cell A1 and then go to Insert tab and then go to a tables group and then click on the pivot table and then create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. Then click OK. To the left of the rentals sheet. To the left of the rental sheet. OK. And then change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. Rental. Select the word rental revenue and then go to Excel workbook and then change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. Okay, and then name the pivot table rental revenue and then change the pivot table name to rental revenue. Go to pivot table analyze tab and then go to pivot table group and then change the pivot table name to rental revenue. Okay, so our step number 5 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 6. Our step number 6 is display the apartment complex and bed fields in rows and the rental price field as value. We are supposed that display the apartment complex and bed field in rows. Place the apartment complex field in row, row area and then place the bed field in row area. And then place the rental price field as value area. Rental price. Rental and then place the rental price field as the value area. Okay, so our step number 6 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 7. Our step number 7 is format the sum of rental price as accounting number format with 0 decimal places and the enter the custom name total rent collected. We are supposed that format the sum of rental price as accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Go to Excel workbook and then go to value area and then click on the sum of rental price and then go to value field setting and then go to number format and select a category accounting number format with 0 decimal place and then click OK and then enter the custom name total rent collected and then enter the custom name to total rent collected, this one, and then click OK. So our step number 7 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 8. Step number 8 is select the occupied field for the filter and set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartments. We are supposed that select the occupied field for the filter. So go to Excel workbook and then place the occupied field to the filter area here and then set the filter to yes to display data for occupied apartments. Set the filter to yes and then click OK. So our step number 8 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 9. Our step number 9 is you want to calculate the total monthly rent revenue if the rates increase by 5% for the occupied apartments. Insert a calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05. Change the name to new rental revenue. Apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. We are supposed that insert a calculated field to multiply the rental price by 1.05. Go to Excel workbook and then go to pivot table analyze tab and then go to calculations group and then go to field item and sets group and then calculate the field, multiply the rental price by 1.05. Multiply the rental price by 1.05. and then change the name to new rental revenue, and then change the name to new rental revenue, new rental revenue. Okay, and then click OK, and then apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places, and then apply the accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Go to home tab. First select the range C4 to C21, and then go to home tab, and then go to number group, and then go to number format and select the category accounting number format with 0 decimal places, and then click OK. So our step number 9 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is step number 10. Our step number 10 is select the range B3 to C3 and apply these format: wrap text, align right, horizontal alignment, 29 row height, and 15 column width. We are supposed that select the range B3 to C3. First go to Excel workbook and then select the range B3 to C3, and then apply these format: wrap text, align right, horizontally alignment, and then we will go to assignment group, and then we will apply wrap text, and then align right, align right, and then apply change the row height 29 and change the column width to 15. Select row 3 and then right click and then go to row height and then change the row height to 29 and then click OK, and then change the column weight to 15. Select column B and C and then right click on the both column and then go to column weight and then change the column weight to 15 and then click OK. So our step number 10 is done. So now we will move to our next step, that is the step number 11. Our step number 11 is apply light orange pivot tables medium 10 to the pivot table and display banded rows. We are supposed that apply light orange pivot style medium 10 to the pivot table and display banded row. Go to Excel workbook and then apply the light orange pivot style medium 10. Go to design tab and then go to pivot table style and then apply the light orange pivot style medium 10. Light orange pivot style medium 10, this one, apply this one and then display banded row. Go to pivot table style option group and then check the banded row. So our step number 11 is done, and there are total 20 steps in this assignment, and I solve a 11 step in this video. But if you want to do this assignment for you, or if you want to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp and email, and I can help you for your complete course, include all the word Excel, Access, and PowerPoint assignment. You can ask me help for other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer science courses, all other writing assignments, mathematics, business, statistics, Cengage courses, etc. So you can contact me and you can hire me. I am available 24 hours for you and my services is available 24 hours for you. You can contact me anytime and you can get done your assignment within your time, within your due, and you can get A grade in your assignment. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video and comment on my video, and thank you for watching my video.